Everybody kicking it, we out here and we making it. So put your hands in the air if you with the shits, whoa.
So we just gonna jump right into this. So this here are all the apps that I have in my keto folder. So the app we're gonna go over today is my favorite. It's my Carb Manager app. You can get it on the Apple Store or even Google Play. And this app helps track everything that I eat for the day. And basically I use this to make sure I don't go over my 20 carbs a day. On keto, it's best to stay under 20 carbs in order to start your weight loss journey. So it shows a breakdown of carbs, it shows a breakdown of fat and protein in your calories. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and scan my breakfast beef sausage. It lets you scan or input whatever you need. And once you scan it, it brings up exactly for the serving size how much fat or protein. Now the red is fat, the blue is protein. So there is no carb whatsoever, and I'm gonna be having 3 of these sausage. Just keep that in mind. So for even 3 of them, still no carbs. I'm gonna also just scan another item. I love Kobe Jack cheese, so I'll be putting this on my eggs. So scanning this again, it's some fat in there and some protein, no carbs. It's best to stay low carb with keto in order to get the weight loss and to make sure you're in a calorie deficit. Yeah, I can't talk. So that there is some Kerrygold butter. I do put butter in my skillet when I'm doing my turkey bacon because that turkey bacon don't have enough fat in it. And the goal is to have a good amount of fat to meet my macros and, moderate protein. And if y'all don't know, I season the heck out of 1 egg. Yes, I do. But macros is what helps you to, know how much protein, fat, and carbs you need a day based on your height, weight, and age. And also it gives you your calorie intake that you need. And you also need to adjust your macros every 15 pounds that you lose. So yeah, I'm just cooking my 3 sausage in that butter, doing my egg, and then I think I'm gonna have some yogurt as well. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get this plated and do my yogurt next. Now the Too Good yogurt only has 2 grams of sugar. It's best to stay 2 grams or none at all. So I'm just gonna do 2 tablespoons, kind of some big tablespoons, but that's 2 tablespoons. And I do weigh a lot of stuff out if it doesn't have it easily accessible for me on the back for the amount I'm gonna have. Then I just went ahead and added some of my solar granola. It's not real granola because you can't have that on keto, but it is like, almonds and sunflower seeds and good stuff like that. So next I'm going to go ahead and fill up my water bottle and get ready to have some good old electrolytes. Electrolytes are key because you're taking so many bad things out of your diet. You still take a little bit of electrolytes out too. So it's always good to replenish each day. And I use the Key Nutrition lemonade flavor electrolytes. And I'm just going to go ahead and have that with my good old breakfast. Yep. And shake, shake, shake away.
Oh, singing like a da 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 do. Y'all get singing along to me a G tunes, yeah, you digging this song. Keep singing along, baby, I'ma be number 1. Hey, getting down, moving up in this life and the charts. That's what's tearing me down, baby. I'm creating my sound. Hey, move around.
Hey y'all, so I decided to end up talking in this second part. I didn't talk in the first part. I think I did a voiceover. But I'm about to make a cheese wrap that I saw on Instagram from Keto. Is it Keto Shayla? I might be saying her name wrong, but I will put her name in the description if y'all want to follow her. But I saw that she made this, so I'm gonna make it. So everything you'll need, I'm using some Kobe Jack cheese, 0 carbs. Hit myself in the face. I'm using some rotisserie seasoned chicken breast slices. It's 1 carb for 2 ounces. Some shredded lettuce I'm gonna put on my cheese wrap. I'm going to fry up some bacon and some Kerrygold butter to make it real crisp and add a little more fat. to my bacon because this is 0 carbs, but it's only 2.5 ounces, or not ounces, 2.5 grams of fat. And I'm also going to add some mustard and some avocado mayo. If you can see, if it will focus, everything else is trying to focus. There we go. And I thought I had some more tomatoes, but clearly we are out and I don't have any more. So the only veggie that will be on my wrap is gonna be the lettuce. So let's go ahead and build this up and get everything ready so that I can eat. So I'm losing light, but this is my meal. This will probably be my last meal. I don't think I'm gonna eat a third meal. I might eat a snack later, some Rebel ice cream, but this is my wrap. Looks amaze balls. And I got my strawberry lemonade and my cup of Quick Trip ice. Y'all, this is so good. Y'all need to try it out. If I decide to eat a snack, I'll come back to y'all, but I feel like this is gonna be it. I hope y'all enjoy it. Okay, y'all, so this will be officially the last part of the what I eat in a day video. I'm about to take a few bites of my Rebel ice cream butter pecan. This entire carton is, oh God, 6 grams of carbs. But of course I'm not eating the entire carton. So it has a good high amount of fat in it. This Rebel ice cream is amazing on keto. It is so good. Say if I didn't eat all that stuff I ate today, and say I didn't, just say for example if I only had those eggs and cheese and sausages this morning, if I wanted, I could have eaten this entire carton of ice cream, because without that yogurt and the granola, I would have had 0 carbs earlier today. And then my wrap, just say, like I said, if I didn't eat the wrap, I could have ate this entire carton. Have I eaten one of these whole cartons before? Yes, I have, and that's because one day I had no carbs. These were my only carbs, literally. But this is what it looks like. It is so good. I get mine from Hy-Vee in Kansas City. You can also get this from Whole Foods, I believe, or you can go on their website, Rebel Ice Cream or Rebel.com ice cream or something like that. So I also have a good suggestion for you to let you know that you should let this sit out of the freezer for 15 minutes before you eat it, because it does get really hard. So mine isn't ready just yet, so I'm gonna let it sit for another 10 minutes, and then I'm going to have a couple spoonfuls and let y'all see. done. That is it. I won't be eating again until tomorrow. And let's see what time I stopped eating. I stopped eating at 6:49. So I made it before 7 o'clock. See y'all later.